This video tutorial explains the zebra function of the CINENORM series monitors. This tutorial is applicable to the BM5-4WR, BM5-4, and BM7-Ds. First, tap the screen to bring up the menu. Tap the Add button. Tap Exposure. Then tap Zebra to add and enable this function. In the Zebra tab, there are 5 parameters you can set. Area options, enable IR, range, and color. Tap Area options, where you have 3 choices: low, middle, and high, which corresponds to underexposed, correctly exposed, and overexposed areas. Please note that the ranges for low and high are not adjustable, but the middle option is. The range option means adding or subtracting a corresponding range value to the current IR value, creating a positive or negative interval. Enable means activating this preset. Tap IRE, and you can apply zebras to the brightness level areas of the image at a specific IRE value by adjusting the IR value. Tap Range to adjust the positive or negative interval corresponding to the IR value. Tap Color to choose from 4 line colors: white, red, green, and blue. This option is typically used to set different line colors for each area option to distinguish between underexposed, correctly exposed, and overexposed areas in the image. You can choose based on your shooting needs. This is the full introduction of the zebra function of the CINENORM series monitors.